I just took my keychain from looking like this to looking like this with the KeySmart key organizer. In today's video, we're going to cover how to install keys, how to expand this thing for even more keys or USB keys, and also what it's like to use in the real world. You can use any coin or flathead screwdriver to disassemble everything. You basically plop your keys on here and then you screw everything back. It's literally that easy. If you're looking to add a USB stick, you can do that with the spacer that comes provided as well. And if you don't have enough keys to load this thing up to screw everything in nice and tight, there's also rubber washers that you can put on there so that everything fits nice and snug. If you want to add additional keys, then there is an expansion pack that you can use that comes with additional screws and spacers that can expand this to hold up to 100 keys. If you're interested in that, I'll link that below for you guys, as well as the KeySmart organizer itself. It's great to have such a compact key organizer, but how well does it actually fare in real life? Like, what is it like to actually use? And if I'm being honest, it was a little bit trickier to use than it is just using a regular keychain, of course, but not enough for me to ever want to go back to using a regular keychain. With how compact this is, it really is a great space saver in the pocket, and I just can't see myself ever going back to a regular keychain. They also come in a multitude of colors, and you can get yours today from the link in the description. Next up, you should check out one of these two videos. It's going to change your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.